House Bytown, Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 1, Back to School. Homeroom. Our homeroom teacher was very angry yesterday. Remember, I remember my first day of school like it was yesterday. Absent. He was absent from school because he was very sick. Rules. She never follows the classroom rules. Finish. It's such a great feeling when you finish your homework. Classmate. Her classmate gave her a pencil and an eraser. Correct. All of your answers are correct. Spell. Some words are more difficult to spell than others. Study. Did you study for the test? Clever. Tim is a clever student. House Bytown, Vocabulary Workshop, Unit 1, Back to School.